What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use the Row Separator WPBakery WordPress plugin element into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this one with a friend of yours. Before I can continue, please make sure that you have the WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin installed on your site. Okay, if you don't know how to install or update your plugin, let me know in the comments so I can guide you. After this, go to the page or to the post or to product, any custom post type. In my case, it's gonna be pages, add new page, because I'm gonna create a new page. Okay, so I'm gonna click into WPBakery page builder button to close the Gutenberg editor and opens the classic editor, and I'm gonna have two options to edit my page, the front end and the back end. I'm gonna start in the back end. This is an empty page. Select the layout. I prefer the default blank page with header and footer, the theme layout. Now I'm gonna add my elements on my page. For example, enter with a text block. Okay, just like this, and another text block, and another one, just like this. If I preview this page, I can see that the content is almost together. There's nothing separating the content. How to separate it? That's why we're gonna use the Row Separator. You can click into any part of your site. For example, I can click into this plus button, search into the upper right corner of my screen next to this search icon for separator. The one that I'm looking for is this guy right here, the separator. We're gonna explore others later. Separator settings: color, alignment, style, border widget, element widget, CSS animation, element ID, and extra class name, and of course design options to change the positioning, to change the spacings. Okay, so here is the element. Now let's review the changes. So that is a Row Separator. Okay, I can copy that, drag by clicking into this, and drop into this other part right here to have the separator separating these two parts of content once again. Simple, right? Okay, now let's start playing more with it. Let me publish this page, and now I'm gonna click into front end editor. Okay, this is gonna load the page into the back end of the site, into the front end of the site, from the back end to front end. And if I change something right here, I can see the results immediately. So if I hover my mouse over the line, hit the settings button, and change, for example, the color, I can see the color change immediately. If I change the height, I can see the height change immediately. If I change the widget, I can see the widget change immediately. Simple, right? So this is how you separate your content. Of course, I have used texts, but you can separate images, you can separate columns, you can separate pieces of content into the same page, and do it into the design and layout that you want, all into a simple, fast and effective method. Of course, always remember to hit the update button into the upper right corner of your screen to save your changes. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WPBakery, or Gutenberg block editor, and it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs, or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where you can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of your dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!